Hey everyone, in one of my prior videos I showed you how to make this AMS light dry box. Hey everyone, in one of my prior videos I showed you how to make this dryer box for your AMS light. And a question that I got, or I should say a suggestion that I got from one of my viewers was, hey, this dry box is really cool, but how do I know what the humidity is inside it? Well, that's a great question, and here's the answer. So you go on Amazon and you buy one of these hygrometers. Some of them are round, they come in rectangular, it doesn't really matter. I took a 6x20 neodymium magnet. You can also get 8mm round magnets, they work just as well. And I super glued it to the face of the hygrometer. And then what you do is, and I'm going to show you with a square one, you put another magnet on the outside of the dry box. So the hygrometer with the magnet glued on it is on the inside, and it's being held in place by a magnet placed on the outside of the dry box. And the cool thing here is, if I grab the magnet, let's see if I get a good angle here. I can move this thing anywhere I want. I just pull the magnet, and I just sort of slide it around. And so that's how you do it. And then you can see exactly what the humidity is inside your dry box.